Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both items. Make sure the shield accepts a banner. Open the banner editor or crafting interface and load the banner design you want. Choose a clear base color, then add up to 6 layers of pattern. This gives contrast on curved surfaces. Once done, place the banner item next to the shield in the crafting grid or use the NPC option. Make sure to keep a spare banner in inventory for quick swaps. Now you apply the banner to the shield. Put the banner and shield into the crafting grid or select the shield and hit the apply action. Align the pattern so it reads correctly when held. Rotate or mirror the banner if your editor offers those options, because orientation matters on curved surfaces. Once satisfied, confirm the craft and remove the new shield from the output slot. Try holding and inspecting it in hand to verify the pattern sits where you expect. Finish by testing your shield in a variety of views. Equip it, block, and inspect from different angles so you see how light hits the banner. If the design looks off, detach the banner, tweak colors or layers, and reapply. This corrects scale and contrast issues. If problems persist, make sure you haven't exceeded layer limits or used unsupported symbols. As a quick fix, reload the UI or re-equip the shield. That often refreshes visuals and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.